Seimens Energy signs an agreement with GIL Automation to boost the development of local content in the country. Stay with us.
Seimens Energy recently signed an agreement with GIL Automation to boost the development of local content in Nigeria in the form of training, skill developments, and joint project execution at the Seimens Energy Rotating Equipment Workshop in Port Harcourt. In his welcome address, the Managing Director of Seimens Energy Nigeria, Seimens Suleiman, explained that the partnership is a testament to the company's commitment to local content development in Nigeria.
Our goal at Seimens Energy is to energize the society. This is about more than just products, services, and solutions we provide. It's about benefiting and bringing value to our society. This agreement serves as an example of what this facility was created to achieve. We can stay close to our customers and partners and provide them with an impressive variety of expedited local service instead of relying on overseas capabilities. This enables us to provide lower costs to our customers and to contribute directly to the Nigerian economy by creating more jobs and training skilled manpower.
Lowell Gbolahan, the Managing Director of GIL Automation, commended the NCDMB, stating that the partnership agreement with Seimens Energy is a fruit of the board's effort in Nigerian content development.
I would just like to start first by thanking the ES for championing our cause and fighting our battles. And today is also a testament of the effort that you are making and the seeds you are sowing and the fruits that we're reaping. Thanks to you, sir, we have empowered or encouraged local investors to also dare to dream big. And today we have 4 category A Nigerian content development certificates owing to the investment we have made. First into the ICSS automation and switchgear factory, which is where we built the Gila FPSO panels in Nigeria. This is the first time ever, thanks to you and to your support. And without providing the certification that guarantees it, we wouldn't have the wherewithal to be able to invest in it.
The Executive Secretary of the Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board, NCDMB, Engineer Simbe Kasewabote, in a speech, implored executives of all companies to patronize indigenous companies.
There's no way anybody can compete with China in terms of cost. Everybody knows that. Not even Europe, not even America can compete with China. But you have to balance your cost versus restiveness. If today all Nigerian youths are not employed and you drive down your cost to develop your project, do you think you can operate that project? The answer is no. That was exactly what happened to us when we started having the restiveness in the Niger Delta, because we were not involving the people. But today, some people prefer to talk about cost because it's cheaper in China, it should be done in China, and the teeming population of Nigerians and the yachts that we have created on the back of Egina will remain empty because they want to execute their projects outside the country. So I please implore you to go back to your employers and tell them that it is not possible to do that anymore with this administration. We must focus on creating jobs and building capacity in Nigeria.
Since the workshop opened in 2016, it has been a key facility to enable Seimens Energy to contribute towards Nigeria's long-term developmental goals and localization agenda in the oil and gas sector. After more than 5 decades of the oil exploration in Nigeria, comes a board that is bringing together industry majors, investors, and the states in the oil and gas corridor of Nigeria, and cementing access to oil fields for higher productivity, to build capacities in Nigeria, to support increased investment in the industry, to build local capacity and competencies, to create linkages to other sectors of the national economy, to boost industry contributions to the growth of our national gross domestic product, increasing Nigerian content in the oil and gas industry. Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board, NCDMB, building local capacities in the oil and gas industry.
The Ministry of Interior, the Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board, NCDMB, and the Department of Petroleum Resources, DPR, wish to caution operators of the oil and gas industry against engaging manpower supply companies to illegally source expatriates. Permits issued to manpower companies are strictly for the supply of Nigerian professionals only. Companies seeking to engage expatriates must obtain approvals from NCDMB before applying for expatriate quota, temporary work permit, or order entry permits from Ministry of Interior, the Nigerian Immigration Service, or other agencies of government, while adhering to set guidelines and requirements. NCDMB has intensified monitoring activities, and defaulting companies will face sanctions and penalties as specified in the Immigration Act 2015, Immigration Regulation 2017, as well as the Nordic Act. For further inquiries, please visit www.ncdmb.gov.ng and www.nordicjqs.gov.ng. Signed, Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Interior, Executive Secretary, NCDMB, Director/CEO, Department of Petroleum Resources. And that's it from us this week. Thanks for watching. And remember, the ideal local content penetration is not achieved overnight, but is a continuous process that requires focus and determination to ensure its implementation. Your health is in your hands, so wash or sanitize them regularly. Please continue to observe physical distancing and wear a face mask in public places. Until next week, I am Priyapaka.